Hey everyone, welcome back to the homestead. I am out in the garage today working on a little mini project that I figured I would bring you guys along on. I have some chores that I need to do today. I need to get my chicken coop cleaned and my rabbitry cleaned. But before I want to hit the rabbitry, I want to make a poop sifter for the rabbit pellets. The reason I want to sift it is because I want to sell it as a fertilizer to my local community. But in order to do that, it needs to be hay and hair free, as well as dry, because if it's wet it starts the breakdown process and you want to have it nice and dry for your customers so the bags aren't wet and leaking and all of that jazz. So I want to make a poop sifter so that I can get the hay and some of the fur out of it, and then I can spread it out on some window screens so that it can dry in the sun before I bag it up for selling. So what I'm going to do today is I'm using this chunk of cage wire that I had laying around. This is just, I do believe, 1 inch by 1 inch cage wire, and it's a pretty decent size. I think it's going to be perfect for a sifter. And then I'm going to use these 2x4s that I ripped down for my garden cart for the frame, and then just staple it to it, and we should be good to go. So definitely an easy project today, but I'm hoping that this will help make things a little easier as far as sifting goes and getting my rabbit poop up for sale as garden fertilizer for my local community. So let's go ahead and get started. So I got all of the front pieces cut out. Now we're just going to screw them together and then staple the wire to it, and we'll be done. Our poop sifter is done. This should fit nice right over top of my wagon, and I can just sift it in there and call it a day. So let's go ahead and take this sifter back to the rabbitry and try it out, see if it works. I guess I won't be cleaning the rabbitry today, guys. That torrential downpour came out of nowhere. So I guess we'll go in the house for now, and if it clears up, we'll try again. But if not, thanks for watching my mini project. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to grow where you're planted.